Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing right now? Nikola stock is up 42 freaking percent, up around 60 cents right now. It's almost at $2 per share. In fact, about 5 minutes ago, it was over $2 per share. So in this video, guys, we're going to break down Nikola, what's causing it to go up. We'll break down the charts, what I'm looking to do. But before we do that, of course, don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. Just use that link down below. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000, and fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys, the best part of the promo. Fund your account at least $5,000 for 3 more days. No joke, the clock's ticking. Get on it, guys. You also get a free share of either Google stock or Tesla, guaranteed, on top of all the stocks you already got. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel because it is an affiliate link, use that link down below. It's a win-win. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So like I said, guys, Nikola is up around 40, now 45% on the day. It's about to go back over $2 a share. And yesterday, no joke, guys, it was at $1.35 to about $1.40. And again, now we're pushing over $2 a share. This is nuts. And the crazier thing is, guys, look at this. When was this? In the middle of May, early June, it was 50 freaking cents. So you're telling me this was at 50 cents and now it's at $2? Yeah, that's exactly what's going on. And of course, this stock is very speculative, very risky. Please do your own research, guys. I'm not telling you what to do. I personally don't own this right now, full disclosure, but it is up a good amount here on some news, and there's a lot of people betting against this company, meaning there's a lot of shorts, and the short interest is very high, which, what does that mean, guys? We talk about this on the channel all the time. If something comes out of left field, whether it's earnings, revenue, guidance, maybe a new partnership, a new deal, went through, a merger. If something comes out of left field that these shorts were not expecting, which causes the stock to, slowly start to go up, what are they going to do? They're going to panic, they're going to cover, and that's going to cause the stock to go up even more. And I believe the short interest on Nikola is 21% as of now. I mean, it could be a little more, a little less, depending on your source. But yeah, I mean, look, it's squeezing. It's up 45% now. We're back over $2 now. We're at 201, and we're taking out the highs from the middle of June, which is insane. In the middle of June, we hit about $1.80. And look at this, guys. In the beginning of June, we were at 52 cents on the 6th of June. And in just about 10 days, we went from 50 cents all the way to $1.80. That was a move of over 215%. Then we pulled back, and here we are now, pushing past, again, those highs from the middle of June. So this is just ridiculous. I mean, this stock, and mind you, it's far off of the all-time highs, and I never think, I mean, never say never, but I doubt this ever goes back to all-time highs. We've covered this stock before, the fraud, Trevor Milton. We're not going to get into that in this video, but look, it got all the way to $93 back in 2020, and well, now it's at 205. So let's break down the catalyst. What is causing this stock to move up like freaking crazy? Well, first of all, guys, it's because of a partnership. Like I said, partnerships, revenue, EPS beats, guidance that's not expected. This is what causes stocks to go up massively and shorts to cover. Like I said, guys, this is what is going on right now. So Nikola, and let me make sure you guys can see this. Bear with me, guys. Let me zoom in a little bit. Actually, let me go like that. We can see Nikola and Biotech, or probably Biotech. Yeah, Biotech, B-A-Y-O Tech, partnered to advance zero-emission hydrogen delivery. And this news obviously came out today, hence why the stock is going crazy. So Biotech is set to purchase, it looks like, up to 50 Nikola Class 8 hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles for zero-emission hydrogen transport. And Nikola is also to purchase low-carbon hydrogen from Biotech's Missouri and California hydrogen hubs, and up to 10 Biotech high-fill transports for bulk hydrogen delivery to customer refueling stations. And this came out again this morning, and a global leader in zero emissions, which is Nikola, and of course, it's arguable whether or not they're going to be around in a couple of years. Who the heck knows? Nikola, via its Hyla brand, and Biotech, an innovator in hydrogen production, transportation, and storage solutions, announced an agreement again to advance reliable hydrogen supply for zero-emission commercial fuel cell electric vehicle fleets, and the strategic supply agreement includes Nikola Class 8 hydrogen fuel cell electric trucks, like I said, and Biotech high-fill bulk hydrogen transport trailers, and hydrogen produced at Biotech's distributed network of hubs. And look at this, guys. As the anchor hydrogen offtake customer, Nikola expects to take delivery of low-carbon hydrogen produced by Biotech commencing in Missouri this year and California in 2024, and Nikola plans to acquire up to 10 Biotech high-fill transport trailers, facilitating the distribution of high-pressure gaseous hydrogen from the production sites to refueling stations that serve fuel cell electric vehicle fleets. Let me actually look at what the heck a Biotech high-fill transport trailer even looks like. Let me see if I could pop this up on Google. So yeah, let's take a look at this. If I click bulk hydrogen transport trailers here on Google, if it wants to freaking work, I guess this is what it looks like right here. Hydrogen gas compressed, Biotech, bulk hydrogen transport trailers, yada, yada, yada. So I guess that is what it looks like here, guys, just to give you all and myself here a visual. And coming back over here, we can see Nikola and Biotech are united by a common goal of providing reliable access to hydrogen throughout the U.S., said Michael Loscheller, president and CEO of Nikola. And Biotech's low-carbon hydrogen fuel and transport equipment will play an important part in supporting the adoption of Nikola's Class 8 fuel cell electric zero-emission trucks, which is awesome. And it looks like here this deal is going to be for the next 5 years. They'll purchase up to 50 Nikola Class 8 fuel cell electric vehicles over the next 5 years, with the first 12 trucks being delivered in 2023 and 2024. And the Nikola trucks will be paired with Biotech's high-fill bulk hydrogen transport trailers to deliver low-carbon hydrogen to offtake customers from Biotech's hydrogen production hubs. Oof, a lot of reading today, guys, a lot of reading, but that is the press release here from Nikola, and you could find this directly on their investor relations page, guys. Just go to Google or whatever other search engine that you use, type in Nikola investor relations, and this will pop up, no problem, and you can read it more for yourselves. And it looks like there's actually, funny enough, let me zoom in on this. Do you guys see that there's actually a person in this truck? That's funny, because when they were rolling down the truck down the hill back in 2020 or whenever that was, and Trevor Milton was pulling his little charades, I don't even know if there was a person in the truck. So I guess now they're actually driving it. There's actually a human that's in here, but either way, guys, that's kind of funny, and that's what's causing the stock to make a massive move. Now let's see where it's at about 5 minutes later. We haven't looked at the chart in about 5 minutes. Let me pull it up here and see, then we'll wrap up the video. Now it's up about 47%. Holy moly, now it's up almost 50%. We're over $2. And where's a big resistance? Well, actually right here where we're at, guys. This is big for Nikola. 210, that was actually support in the middle of December, heading into January. Also in the end of February, early March, we held support at about 210. So this, this spot's a big resistance, at least as of now. And honestly, I would not be surprised if we saw a bit of a sell-off here. Maybe we retrace a little bit, cooled off before, then maybe running through $2, 210 again, and then who knows where it's going to go from there. But right now, yeah, I mean, it's up 50%. Earnings are coming up here in 3 weeks. So let's see what happens with Nikola, guys. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Hit that like button and feel free to subscribe. It's completely free of charge. Hit that notification bell as well. And again, full disclosure, I don't own Nikola stock right now, but it's definitely at the top of the watch list. What do you guys think? And of course, if you have not gotten your free stocks yet for Moomoo, it is a no-brainer. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000 right off the bat, and fund your account at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And guys, the best part of the promo is fund your account at least $5,000. On top of those 15 stocks, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. And guys, that part of the promo is limited time. You have 3 more days, so get on that link down below. And again, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all later.